So the video from Veo 3 is great, but unfortunately the duration is limited to only around 8 seconds, and in some cases that might not be enough. So is it possible to extend the duration beyond 8 seconds for Veo 3 videos? Well, the answer is yes. Kinda. It's not exactly supported, but there is actually a way to do that. Now, if you want to extend the video duration, you can open the project from Google Veo, and yeah, that's the only tool that we have to extend the video duration. We cannot extend the video duration via Gemini, so you have to open Google Veo and then open the project that you want to modify. And in this case, I want to extend this video of my man talking, and I want him to talk even longer beyond 8 seconds. And I'm going to be clicking this button that says add to scene, and just wait for the scene builder tool to open, and you'll see this interface, and we can do a lot of things here. Okay, just wait, and there you go. Now you can click this plus button and then click extend. And then here you can tell AI about what needs to happen on the extended version of that video. So I'm going to paste this prompt that I provided, and I'll select Veo 3 because I want this person to actually talk in the video. But there is actually a problem. If I send the message, I'll get this information that this feature is not supported on Veo 3. Switch to Veo 2. The problem with Veo 2 is it doesn't support audio content, so I cannot produce audio. I cannot make this person to say something in the video if I'm using the Veo 2 model. So I have to use Veo 3, but at the moment it doesn't support. It's not supported in the extended feature. So how do you fix that? What is the workaround? Well, here is the workaround that you can try. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to click dismiss and click this, and here the workaround is quite simple actually. We want to capture the last frame of this video, and then we want to turn that into the first frame for a new video. And this is the thing that I'm going to do. So I'm going to move this playhead to the very end of the video, and then you can click this plus button and click save frame as asset. And just wait, and we should be able to get that last frame of the video. It's still uploading, still being processed. It might take quite some time because Google will actually do some checking to make sure that there is no weird stuff happening. So I think this is the last frame of the video, and that's pretty good. Now we have to create a video based on this content, based on this frame. So I'm going to click this, and then I'll select frames to video, and I'm going to be using this prompt. The man says, okay, another one. Why did the newspaper go to therapy? Because it had too many issues. Ha ha ha. Yeah, that's a prompt. And after that, I'm going to be using Veo 3. There is only one generation, one video per generation, and you can send the message. Okay, now the second section of the video has been created, and I'm going to play the whole video now.
Hey, I have something for you. Where do rainbows go after being arrested? To the prism. Okay, another one. Why did the newspaper go to therapy? Because it had too many issues.
And yeah,
hey, I have something for you.
Basically it. Now we have a video, actually the same, more or less the same video, but now it is twice longer. And you can download the video. You can also add some more scene into this scene builder tool. And that's basically the workaround to extend the video duration on Veo 3 beyond the typical 8 seconds. I hope you find this video to be useful, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.